Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to talk about a new lesson, which is measuring length. Units of measuring length. Centimeter is used to measure small lengths as the length of a pencil, the height of a table, the width of a shelf. Meter is used to measure medium lengths as the height of a door, the length of a corridor, the length and width of a room. Kilometer to measure long lengths as the distance between cities such as between Tonta and Alexandria, the distance from the earth to the moon. Note: to convert from kilometer to meter and from meter to centimeter. To convert from kilometer to meter, we multiply by 1000. To convert from meter to centimeter, we multiply by 100. To convert from centimeter to meter, we divide by 100. And to convert from meter to kilometer, we divide by 1000. So we can say to convert from the greatest to the smallest, we multiply. And to convert from the smallest to the greatest, we divide. We have to know that 1 kilometer equals 1000 meter. Half kilometer equal 500 meter. Quarter kilometer equal 250 meter. 1 meter equal 100 centimeter. Half meter equal 50 centimeter. Quarter meter equal 25 centimeter. Complete. 5 kilometer equal 5 times dots equal dots meter. So to convert from kilometer to meter, I have to multiply by 1000. So 5 times 1000 is 5000. Number 8 kilometer and 250 meter. How can I solve this? I can't add kilometer and meter together. I must have only one unit. So I will convert the kilometer to be meter. So the 8 kilometer will be 1000 plus 250. It will be 8250 meters. Number C. 395 meters equals 395 times dots equal dot centimeter. To convert from meter to centimeter, I'll multiply by 100. So 395 times 100, it will be 39,500 centimeter. Number D. 900 centimeter equals 900 divided by dots equals dots meter. To convert from centimeter to meter, from the smallest to the greatest, I'll divide by what from centimeter to meter? I'll divide by 100. So 900 divided by 100, it will be 9 meters. Put greater, smaller, or equal. 2 kilometers, the other side 2020 meters. I can't compare between two different units. I must have the same unit. So I'll convert the kilometer to be meter. To convert from kilometer to meter, and multiply by 1000. So 2 times 1000, it will be 2000 meters. The other side is 2020 meters. So which one is the greater? 2020. Number B. 8500 meters. The other side is 8 kilometers and quarter meter. So quarter is 250. As we said, I can't compare or add or subtract or do anything with two different units. So I have to convert the kilometer to be meter. So my comparison between 8,500 meters and 8,250 meters. So which one is the greater? 8,500 meters. Quarter meter plus 75 centimeter. The other side is 1 meter. So quarter is 25, as we said before, and 75 centimeter. 25 plus 75 is 100 centimeter. The other side is 100 centimeters, so my answer is equal. 10,000 meter. The other side is 10 kilometer. So my sides will be the same. After we convert the kilometer to be meter, my two sides are 10,000, so it will be equal. Arrange the following in an ascending order, ascending from the smaller to the greater. Here I have 4 kilometer, 4,050 meter, 450 meter, and 40 kilometer. I can't arrange them. Why? Because I have two units. So I convert all the kilometer to be meter. 4 kilometer will be 4,000 meter. And 40 kilometer will be 40,000 meter. Now it's easy to me to arrange them. Why? Because I have the same unit. So the smallest one is 450 meter, then 4,000 meter, then 4,050 meter. The last one is 40,000 meter. Thank you.